What's going on, guys? I thought I'd make a really quick video because I found like a super good deal on the dual Z axis for the Ender 3. So let's just go type this in. Ender 3 dual Z axis kit. There's a seller that had it for $3 off. I went to go look at it, and all of a sudden it was 20% off of that. Okay. I've ordered this one before. Let me make sure I'm looking at Prime. Okay, so it's not this one, but there is that one too. Okay, so if it says I purchased this, so I originally ordered this one, and that's on one of my printers right now. I ordered that one just because it was quick shipping. So this one right here, okay, it's $3 off of $29.99. Okay, and when you go and you order it, it's going to offer you 20% off of that whenever this opens. So looks like Amazon crashed. Okay, let's see. See if we can open it. We're just going to go into the regular browser here, and this won't reflect any of my account stuff anyway, but we'll go here. Okay, we can see 26, 29. Let's see here, 28, 34. Some of these might not be showing up correctly because of Prime. So I think that this is probably the one right here. And I don't think, so if you don't have Prime, I don't think it's 29, and I don't think you're going to save all this. No, this is a $9 coupon. This is a completely different one. But there's deals on here for sure. Like, I've seen quite a few. I'm trying to find the one that I bought. Okay, right here is $29.99 plus the $3 coupon, which ends up being the same as the other one that we just saw above. But see right here, save 20% promo code. So you get $3, and then you get the 20. So after I checked out, this was like $21. So this is the kit that comes with everything you need. What is the reviews on it? 4.5 stars, 16 ratings. It's from a seller that Creality authorized tech store. I've not really heard of them before, but they don't have any bad reviews. As long as it's the Creality kit, I already know what to expect. So this is actually, a pretty good kit. You get the motor, you've got the plate, you've got the top wheel bearings for both sides, you've got the new wiring harness, and it can be a little tricky to install this if you've never done one before and you're not mechanically inclined, but it's certainly well worth getting this, because what happens is with these is, unless you just tighten the piss out of the wheel here, which I did with this one, and also I have a perfect example of why you need one of these. Let's get this thing out of the way here. Okay, this one here, I don't know if I can hold this appropriately. I don't know if you can see that. Okay. So this piece here has come loose because it's allowed to sag that much. Now, I don't know if this is absolutely necessary for a printer this slow, but if you want to print faster, I would say probably. If you're having, Z-axis issues, this can help. So, let's see if I rest my hand on it, it just starts to go down. When you have a dual Z, it won't do that. It can't turn that easily. So, I mean, I didn't notice any difference on my other printer, but I didn't have any problems either. And so the kit that I showed you guys works for this one, and it relocates this. And I'm not sure if I have the piece in here. Yeah, I do. It's pretty heavy duty. I don't know, you can hear the... Pretty well painted, but anyway, so this just goes here. You give you a bunch of T-nuts and you move this power supply back up. If you don't want to do that, you can put the power supply along the back here, just like the other printers. And this kit works on any of the Ender 3s. I don't know one that it wouldn't work on. So, I'm probably going to just put it on this one. You know, I really wasn't even going to order any more stuff for these printers. They all work now. There's no reason to keep upgrading them. I was looking at linear rails. There's no reason to do that. They're still going to print slow. I don't need 3 modified Enders. I only need 1. So for me, there's not really a real reason to do it, but it was so cheap. It was like, for $21, I'm going to do it. So I ordered it. I just think that's a super good deal. It's really could solve a lot of problems for a lot of people that are having issues. That's what I think. So anyway, I'll leave a link down in the description. Thanks for watching.